So, hello madam, how are you?
I am totally fine, sir.
So today you have 6 questions you are going to be answered. So
Okay,
firstly, I am going to ask 6 important questions. Each and every question will have only 1 minute. So now your
Okay.
first question is that what do you think about technology?
So, according to me, technology, everything which facilitate the human being and make anything easier, it's called technology, and we can see technology in everywhere in our surrounding. We use technology in every field and every field and every second in our surviving and living lives, and we have also our phones and laptops in our bags, and this is also technology. Through technology we can do anything in while a second. If we want to contact somebody who lives far from us, so we can connect that person in snap of finger. And we can take online classes also through technology, just like if somebody wants to higher education and
Thank you madam. Now your next question is what is the impact of technology over our educational system?
so the technology have a huge role in educational system, because we can see in now present scenario there are lot of student who lives in village and remote area. They can take their classes. They can take their classes at their home, and also they have lot of facilities in their phone, like books and classes. They can purchase classes, they can purchase their online classes, and they can purchase also their books, which is very expensive in offline. And this is very useful for those teacher who don't have the place which they can make their classes and institute. They can make those teacher.
Thank you madam. What is the benefits of technology for housemakers?
There are huge benefits for housemaker, just like we can see in our kitchen, and we in house also there are lot of things like if we talk about in kitchen, there are lot of things like induction electric cooker and electric machines are available in nowadays. Our mother in nowadays technology help lot of help. Technology give lot of help towards our mother, because our mother can take benefits from technology, just like they have electric gas and electric cookers. They can make food in less time. And we have lot of machine like washing machine, geyser, in which we
Thank you,
can.
madam. What do you think? If technology disappears all of a sudden, then how the world would be in your imagination?
So if technology is vanish in our surrounding, we can't live without technology, because we are too dependent on technology. And there are no phone and no calls in our surrounding. We can't connect our friends and relatives who lives far from us. And we can't trades also. We can't do trades also, because there are lot of things which export and import through technology. There are no aeroplanes. We can't go somewhere to another one place to another place we can't go one place to another place by aeroplane. And we have metro buses in which we can travel with a second and minutes.
What is the impact of technology over our health?
So first of all, we can see technology सर बहुत प्रभाव देता इफेक्ट्स. technology affects human being very rapidly, and we are totally depend on it, and we are getting lazier day by day because we losing our memory power,
We are
because
losing.
we are losing our memory power. We are addicted to it, and our calculation power is also losing, because we are using calculator for calculate small thing, and there are lot of other thing also, because if there are no technology, so maybe.
Last question, huh? What do you think, madam? If technology disappears from the world, so will you be able to operate all social media sites?
No, sir, I didn't think so, because technology depends a lot. We are totally depend on technology, because there are lot of platform which is run by technology, and we also have our palm top in our pockets, in which we can use every second and every minute. If we want to connect our relatives and friends, so we can use social media, and we have lot of platform in which we can create our memories also, because if we can see YouTube and Insta, just like these things, we can make our stories, and we can post on it. Other we can when we will get older, so we can see our younger face, and social media depends on technology, because
Thank you, madam. You have spoken very fantastic. I am very happy for you that you are speaking like that. But I want you all
More.
to practice more. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, sir.
So I want you to practice and keep improving yourself day
Thank
by
you,
day.
sir.
And learn
Thank
new
you.
things.
Thank you,
Learn
sir.
new things every day. Thank you. Have a seat.